I'm Cecilia, and this is Max. Welcome to Cecilia and Max's Lego Reviews. Today is going to be another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we're going to review Belle's Storybook Adventures, number 43177. It has 111 pieces, it's 5+, and it's the Lego Disney series. So we chose this because, well, we're collecting the Adventure Storybook series, and we really like Belle. So this is the box, and we're going to open it up and build it. Remember to give it a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch until the end to see our positives and negatives about this set. Opening time!
Let's try.
Okay, so this actually has two. No, you don't slice it. Pop it. And there's two popping this time, so this is going to be a hard opening. Just one more popping. Aha, we got it. And now we have bag one. We have one part of the storybook. Then we have bag two. We have stickers. And we have bag three, and we should have one more, at least one more. And we have another part of the storybook. And then we have like the binder to the storybook. We have another stickers. And we have the instructions. Some Oh look, I think I found the talking cup. What's his name again? Yeah, I don't remember. We've only watched Beauty and the Beast one time.
Need a cup.
And it was a long time ago. Yeah, we have two talking cups, and they're adorable. And then we open bag two. This has the castle part. Oh, and it also has the lion dude. It's not a lion dude. It's the beast who's actually a prince. Okay, so now we have that opened up. So here we have Belle and the beast, and you can like spin them around on this thing. And then here we have his wig, and here we have the shelf and the rose, and we also have two cups and the teacup. And you can put stickers around so that to decorate it. We also have a little bed here that you can flip down and up. And then here we have the fire, and you can spin around to have it as a clock. And then on the other side, we have the bridge, and we have some plants, and we also have stickers to decorate it. And basically we have the entrance with the flag. And then it has the claps, and it also has stickers like it here has in this.
Lock it.
And then
Lock it.
And then here you can write your name. So now Max is going to play, and I'm going to do the positives and negatives. So for the positives, it has a lot to do. And secondly, you can put stickers around to decorate it, so it's not really telling you where to put it. You can do it however you want. And then third of all, it basically has two different sides, so it has the inside and the outside. For the negatives, when you close it, it's basically the whole thing breaks, and when you open it and you want to play, you'll have to redo it. And I think the figures, I mean, it's not everybody's opinion, but in my opinion, they should have kept it as it used to be. And third of all, it on the outside of the book, I think maybe it should be a little more decorative. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch your video next week.